We found that there was a need for companies to find trustworthy and reputable suppliers from around the world. Why? For capacity, to increase their own capacity. Lower cost, of course, per piece price, payment terms, cash flow, whatever it may be. They needed increased innovation. Some of the most creative designs and materials are being made offshore. Faster, yes, faster lead times. And finally, using offshore suppliers can help you grow your business. Let's face it, we all wish we could buy from the U.S. suppliers, but those manufacturing jobs and companies are gone. And the final piece of the overseas network is you must have a U.S. operation that can handle all the details. Finding the suppliers, vetting the suppliers, and visiting the suppliers during production to make sure that everything is done properly. We found a real need for this type of a network, and we created it just for you.